you're watching this, you're probably interested in learning how to generate extra income or passive income online. This is a way I personally, as well as many different content creators across the internet, make passive income on a daily basis. It's all about doing the work up front, and then as time goes on, picks up some speed, snowball effect, and you're able to rake in the coin later on. That's what I'm going to teach you guys about today. How to use your ability to create content, build a following, and your creativity to make money from products that people have already produced or made. But before we get started, as you know, I'm Zara with Hustle From Home Inc. You guys are probably like, the background is looking a little funky, it's looking different. Well, we're at our family's house for holiday, and I know I preach a lot on this channel about consistency. And so I was like, oh, do I really need to, look at my braid, I'm looking like Pippi Longstocking. I teach, anyway, a lot about consistency, and I was like, do I really need to make this video? Like, it's the holiday, like, it can wait. But I was like, that's an excuse. So I decided to go ahead and spit out this video and then get along with the day. So yes, as you guys know, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Consistency is key. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel. I thank you guys so much for your time and viewing us, and let's go ahead and get into it. This form of passive income is very accessible. I mean, pretty much to anyone that has a smartphone, a laptop, and internet. The barrier for entry is super low, so it's not like you have to dish up a whole bunch of money beforehand or anything like that, but you do have to dish out your time. You are going to need to learn how to create content, valuable content. You're going to need to learn how to market and brand yourself. And you're also going to need to learn a little bit more about whatever subject it is that you are looking to become an affiliate for. This is something that does not happen overnight. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not particularly easy, but of course, when you work hard, you play hard. So it's definitely worth it in the long run. So if this is something, you're looking for something that you can get rich overnight, then this definitely isn't it. And we'll just check you next time. So over time, this form of passive income can definitely make you about $100 to $200, minimum, on a daily basis. So no matter what you're into or what subjects you're interested in, there's an affiliate link or a company that you can definitely get along with. So for example, if you have a baby and you are really interested and want to start making videos or blogging about your new baby, you are able to do affiliate marketing because there's so many baby products out there that you're able to review, put links below your review, and people will purchase that product and you will get a percentage from each and every sale. If you like makeup or if you are an engineer, no matter what, there is a way to become an affiliate marketer for anything. You honestly are just reviewing what someone was already about to purchase. You're helping them out because you're giving them an honest opinion about how this product or this thing has helped improve you or worked for you. So you're doing them a favor and you're making money from it. It's a win-win. Another way affiliate marketing is a win-win is for both you and the company that you're doing the affiliate marketing for. Companies are nonstop producing products, but it helps them because they don't have to hire you. You don't have to be hired by that company. You are able to do that without them having to pay for your health insurance, pay for your benefit packages, 401k, and things like that. You don't have to worry about meeting quotas or getting fired or anything like that. Both sides are winning. So yes, affiliate marketing is good for you, the consumer, and the companies. If it's so easy, why doesn't everybody do it? Well, one reason, like I said before, is it takes a lot of time and upfront work before you see any benefits from everything that you're doing. So, especially in this microwave day and age, people want to see benefits for what they do right away. And a lot of times in life and just things in general, it does not work like that. So if you are the type of person that needs immediate gratification, then this probably isn't going to work for you. Honestly, any form of generating passive income is not going to work for you. So many people, because of the fact that they feel that it's pointless because they're not seeing any money being generated right away, they're going to quit. Another reason that this may be something that a lot of people or everyone isn't doing is because of the fact that you have to be somewhat tech savvy, I would say, because honestly, you're going to need to learn how to edit videos. You're going to need to know how to make a website. You're going to need to know a little bit of graphic design, things like that, in order to be able to produce content that's of value for people to want to purchase things from your affiliate links. Some affiliate programs that I personally benefit from are Amazon affiliates, ClickBank, Shopify, TubeBuddy, Bluehost, things that fall into the niche of building personal brands, websites, self-improvement, YouTubing, blogging, things like that. I'm able to use platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Quora, and Reddit in order to get people to purchase from my affiliate links. So in order to get started, you first are going to need to select what niche that you want to provide education on. So if that's fitness, which I think is the number one niche for affiliate marketing, because no matter what, and as time goes, people are always searching for ways to bulk up, get muscles, lose weight, get a booty. You know, they're just always looking for ways to fix and perfect their body. So fitness affiliate marketing is everything. Once you've found your niche, you're going to need to find different affiliate websites and different forms of ways to market things. So baby products, you're going to probably want to be an Amazon affiliate because everyone buys baby products from Amazon nowadays. Toys R Us is closed, so where do we go? Amazon. So if you're an Amazon affiliate, all the products that you've gotten for your baby, put that under your reviews and the links, and people will purchase it directly from your site to Amazon. The next thing is many of these sites or affiliate sites that you're going to apply to be an affiliate for, they're going to want you to have like a link for a website. Sometimes you could just put, if you aren't like a big writer or anything, you could just put your YouTube link. But they kind of want you to have like a home base for everything. And honestly, that's not a bad idea because even with all the content you're producing via Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook, it's good to have a home base where you can have even just a set page with all your affiliate links under there where someone can go and kind of just go over everything, especially if they trust you and your opinion for what they're looking for. So once your site is built, and I mean, you could put a lot into it or a little, it just depends on what you want to do. If you are more of a writer than a talker, then put more into the blog than you would on a physical platform like a YouTube or Instagram. Personally, I put a little less work into my blog as opposed to my YouTube or my Instagram, only because I prefer to talk than write. So once it's done, you'll easily get approved for these to be affiliate marketing for whatever product that you want to do. And once you're approved, it's important that you have some form of strategy for what you're going to do. And I mean, this is important for anything, honestly. Having a strategy, whether it's to lose weight or to create more abundance in life, whatever you want to do, a strategy is important. So with affiliate marketing, you're going to want to have a content strategy. And a good form of content strategy with affiliate marketing is to have many different platforms that you are marketing on. So for example, with me, I have YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and on top of that, I use websites like Quora and Reddit to answer people's questions about marketing, making their own blogs, creating Shopify stores, and things of that nature in order to get them to click on links for products that'll assist them in their journey. So many different platforms creates many different streams of revenue. And as long as you have content out there, then you are going to be making money. So the more content, the more money. The more consistent, the more money. Finally, while you're doing all of this, you're going to need to build an audience. And yes, it'll probably just come as you do it. If you are consistent, your audience will flow in, they'll trickle in, and they're going to trust you. You'll have built a following that believes in you and the things you say, especially if you make sure you know what you're talking about and always tell the truth. Don't market things that you don't know anything about just because you feel, oh, the payout for this is like $100. So say, for example, you took a course, and the course you took has the ability for you to be an affiliate for, but their payout's only $25. And you know a course that lets you be an affiliate, but the payout is $100. That course may be horrible, and the course you took may be good. Just because that course pays more, don't go and market that course because you get more money. Because what if someone that trusts you and follows you buys that course and doesn't get the results that you got from that course that you actually did take? So it's all about honesty with affiliate marketing and building your following. Honesty and consistency are going to make it so that you have a great loyal following that's willing to buy whatever you promote. Patience is going to be key. You're going to start off with 2 followers. Then it'll go up to 10, 50, 100, 1,000. Don't worry. Now, there are tons and tons and tons of videos all across YouTube, even on my channel, that'll help you in gaining this loyal following, and teach you how to kind of speed up the process a little bit. But it is going to take some time, 6 months, a year, maybe 2 years, depending on you and how you do things. So don't worry about that. Just always think about, in the long run, what is this going to do for me? How am I going to benefit from this? So I definitely suggest you stop putting time into things like Netflix, Instagram, scrolling down Facebook, and put time into watching these videos to help you build your personal brand, help you understand how to market, help you understand how to make online income. It'll help make your life so much better, and honestly, you'll feel like you are wasting a lot less time. In closing, it is very important that, everyone starts diversifying their revenue stream. There's no such thing as job security anymore. I don't know. I wasn't living in the 20s, 50s, whatever. So I don't know if jobs were secure then, but I'm going to say now they are not secure. You never know what can happen. You can lose your job just because someone doesn't like you. You can get hurt. Your company can fail. You just never know. So it's always best to have many different ways that you're able to generate income. And to me, affiliate marketing and producing content that's of value to someone is the ultimate way to generate passive income. My goal with my channel is to be able to share the education that I'm learning as I go along, share my journey and everything with you guys to help not only influence you, but teach you ways that you can do it too. Oftentimes when you see someone else doing it, you realize that this is real. This is something that I'm able to do, and you're more likely to do it. So that's my goal. It's just to inspire. So if anything does happen with your 9 to 5, you're not worried, you're not tripping, you're unbothered, because what? You have a cushion to fall back on. You have something that you worked for after work when you got home that makes it so you don't have to worry. Your family doesn't have to worry. But on a lighter note, it's so crazy. Like, this whole video deleted earlier. Like, I had to refilm. I was like, ah. But on a lighter note, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. I love each and every one of you. I appreciate you guys viewing my channel, following, and subscribing to me. If you do decide to start affiliate marketing or know about any other forms of passive income, feel free to put that in the comment box below. Make sure you remember to click that subscribe button. We come out with videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. No matter what, rain, sleet, snow, doesn't matter. A video is on the way. So thank you guys so much, and have a great rest of your day.